This is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Tonight we're going to be doing a dirty swipe in the colors of mostly blues and golds, and I'll explain this as we go along. Our first color is fluorescent white, and that's a Josonia color. And our second color is indigo, and this is Atelier Interactive. Last is iridescent gold deep, and this is Amsterdam color. I'm going to be working on a 4x4 tile. This is titanium white. This is my cell activator, titanium white, and that's by Amsterdam, mixed with 3 parts Australian Floetrol. And my pouring medium for tonight is Vaspar Ultra and Varathane Polyurethane Triple Thick, and that's mixed 3:1 ratio. Okay, our pillow paint is Glitten's Essentials in Eggshell. Okay, I failed to add this paint to my list, and this is coming up is PBO Blue Black. Now this is an interesting paint. It looks gray here, but there is almost a denim blue sub color there, and it's just a wonderful color. It's new to my palette. And I'm going to put what I thought I was going to do is a split with this, and I decided at the last minute that, just make the entire background the blue-black. So I've spread it down half, and I'm going to make a change here. I'm going to start spreading it both sides. It's about this time that I started to think, well, maybe I need to just fill the tile with this color, flood the back. And getting the tips on that, so they needed a little bit of pillow paint so that that color top would flow over the edge. Okay, I've picked up my swiping tool, and I'm going to put the titanium white on the back of this. Get a nice coverage on this. This is what is called a dirty swipe. And the reason why it's a dirty swipe is the only color down is your background color. Every other color is going to go on the back of the swiping tool. Changed my mind there. I think I'm going to start with the iridescent deep gold. That's the first color down on top of the cell activator. Now, whenever you're working with a swiping tool, the color you put first down is going to be the color they actually on top. So I always put the cell activator down first, and each one of my colors on top of that. So they'll go down in reverse order. Flip this over and give it a swipe. And I'm going to take it around and make sure I get all of my coverage. You can see immediately that the cells open up. And I'm looking at this and I'm going, I don't know that I got enough of the gold in there. I'm trying to decide what I want to do with that. I think I pick up my tool. I'm going to put down some more of the white, the titanium white cell activator, and just the gold. It's time for a flymer. You got to notice those cells really did stand up, and the gold, adding the gold is a great idea. I want to thank you for joining me tonight. If you found this video useful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for future notifications of videos that I'll put out. Thanks for being here tonight. Bye now.